Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to Marili TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make authentic Jamaican fried dumpling. There's a secret to it, and I will show you that right now. The secret is it needs to be crispy, it needs to be golden brown, it does not need to be hard. And if you don't do this thing, you probably will end up throwing out your dumpling. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, like I said, this is the flour. You're gonna need some baking powder. I do like pink Himalayan salt. This is the one that I use. And this is the baking powder. And of course, you could use whatever oil you need, but I like avocado oil because I'm trying to be on the healthier side. My other ingredient is gonna be country crock, just some butter. This is olive oil, but you could use whatever butter you need. So I'm gonna start by adding my baking powder, and this is 1 tablespoon and a quarter of baking powder. Next is the Himalayan salt. So this is 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. But again, you don't have to use this. You could use whatever salt you prefer. The next thing that's important is that you need to use some butter. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'll just use this. Okay, so now that's really the ingredients, guys. Now we need to mix all of this together. So this is 1 cup of water, and by the way, it was 2 cups of flour. So I'm starting with 1 cup of water, but before I add the water, I just need to mix this first. And don't worry about the butter, it will eventually find itself in the correct places. So you mix, and as you see, I'm using a spoon. A lot of people, they rather to use their hands, and I mean, that's okay. I'll eventually get there, but this is kind of how I start mine. And what you have to remember, cooking is an art. So there's no wrong or right way of doing things. Sometimes you just have to make sure you include something at the correct moment, but cooking is really an art, and I enjoy cooking. So I'll continue to mix this, add a little water until it reach the type of dough that I'm looking for, because you don't want to make it too soft. It's not going to work out very well. And also you don't want to over mix it and make it too hard. So as you see here, I'm going to add some more water. Continue to mix again. And as you see, still mixing. And the thing that I do like with my pink Himalayan salt, sometimes you really see the pink salt. Like right there, you could actually see the salt, which I enjoy. It gives it a burst of flavor. And I like flavorful dishes. And by the way, fried dumpling, you could have fried dumpling with anything. As you see there. Guys, I did not put my hand in it, and look, I did not. So this right here, I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna wet a piece of paper towel, and I'm gonna put it over it for 5 minutes. That will make sure it raises the dumpling when it's frying. So you'll get that very crispy fluffy feel and taste. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever seen anyone making fried dumpling like this. Did they get it to this consistency by just using a spoon? I don't know. So you let me know. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like after 5 minutes. Here's the big reveal. So now it's time to fry. Okay, here we go. I flatten it, turn it like a cartwheel, and press in the middle. Use a fork, please. Do not try this at home. Use a fork. Okay guys, for real, tell me, does this looks like Popeye's biscuit or what? Look at that, guys. You see what I'm talking about? Crispy and golden brown. Okay guys, so after all that hard work, this is what the end result is, and I'll definitely do a taste test and show you right now. So let me grab this one that was actually already almost separated while it was frying. So as you see here, ooh, very crispy. You can even see the steam. So broke it in two. This is really good. It's just so flaky, soft, and I can actually taste the butter. It's really good. The crumb just like falling off. Let me know if you've ever made fried dumpling like this, and yeah, just let me know in general what you think about this recipe. Wow, this is amazing.